Good morning, everybody. James Wilson, Coach Wilson, however you want to look at it. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And I just wanted to show you something on a quick video right quick this morning, Sunday morning. Had a little rainstorm that persistently gave us rain all night. And this is what a thunderstorm dumping an hour and 35 minutes on top of you would do to you. It'll turn your street into a river. Again, this is every street in our area of the city. As you can see, if you know how to swim, you will be all right. But if not, that's a goal we have to achieve. Anyway, everybody be safe. Much love to y'all out there. Again, mothers, happy Mother's Day. Until next time, we out.